So now she's only eating bale fruit and leaves. So every Thursday in Posh month, there's a big utsav. It's the Lakshmi Yogini Utsav. So the temple is the Goswami Saptalaya Mandirs, the 7 temples of the Goswamis, Radha Damodar, Radha Govinda, Radha Madan Mohan, Radha Gopinath, Radha Raman, Radha Vinod, Radha Gokulananda, like this. These 7 temples, they take turns, and it goes by yearly basis because there's only 4 or 5 Thursdays in the month of Posh. They take turns preparing the feast. It's their service to Lakshmi Devi because they're worshipping Radha and Krishna. So they take a turn. So I remember when it was Radha Damodar, I was staying Radha Damodar, it was their turn. So what they do is they cook huge khichdi. Because it's winter time, December, January, it has raisins and cashews and nuts, and it's really chaka-chak, really good khichdi. And they put it in the pots and they carry it to the boats, and they put on the boats and they carry it to Lakshmi Devi. And they have carts and arrangement. So they go there and they offer. So now Lakshmi Devi, for 4 or 5 days a year, she gets khichdi. Because anyone that's doing a brat, they can only eat khichdi. Like the Kanyakumaris, when they were virgin girls, the virgin girls were fasting on khichdi, unspiced khichdi, for the month of Mrigashirsha. So in that spirit of fasting to attain Krishna, they were fasting to attain Krishna as their husband. And Lakshmi Devi is also fasting and chanting her mantra, Om Shri Krishnaya Pratyaya Namaha. So they want to give her a little treat. So they say, oh, you have to eat khichdi. There's a few raisins there too, and little spices. So then huge pots, like 2,000-3,000 kilos. And because she has to cover for a whole year. So she eats, and then all the Brijvasis get their dona of Lakshmi Prasad, Lakshmi Brijvasi Yogini Prasad. Fantastic, really fantastic. And there's all people selling cotton candy and all the whole line of people selling, it's a festival. Kids' rides and everything. It's a huge, huge festival in Braj Mandal. Every single Brijvasi from Matvan and Bealvan and Brindavan and all go there to bless Lakshmi Devi. All these things you come to know about when you live downtown. If you live in Ramareti, you just sleep and eat and go to Mangalartik, and it's beautiful, it's wonderful, but you missed a lot of the actual Brijvasi action, which is all down Nidhivan, Sevakunj, and that whole area where the Saptalaya Mandirs are. So we got a little sampling of that whole another world down there, which was so wonderful to hear about, isn't it?